Hello, in this video, we are going to derive expressions for the quantity Pe, which is a measure of the activity of the electron. We begin with a standard reduction potential, where we have an oxidant, OX, which is reduced with a certain number, N electrons, and the final product is the reduced form, and the standard reduction potential is E naught. We also know that we can write an equilibrium constant K, which is equal to the concentration of the reductant, the reduced form, divided by the concentration of the oxidized form, times the concentration of the electron to the nth power. Ideally, we are going to use the activities of each of these quantities instead of the concentrations for greater accuracy, but we are going to write all the expressions in terms of concentrations, even though we're applying activities. Once we have our equilibrium constant K expression, we can rearrange the formula to get an expression for the concentration of electrons to the nth power, which is equal to the concentration of the reduced form divided by the equilibrium constant K times the concentration of the oxidized form. Taking the nth root of each side, we get an expression for the concentration of the electron. We then define a function Pe, which is the negative log of the activity of the electron, by analogy to the pH, and by taking the negative log of each side, we get the resulting expression. We then use the properties of the logarithm to expand our expression into a combination of two terms, one involving the ratio of the reduced form to the oxidized form, and one involving the equilibrium constant K. Next, we use a useful trick that minus the quantity A minus B is simply B minus A. And in the process, we're able to remove the negative sign from the leading coefficient. We would like to have an expression Pe naught for the Pe function under standard conditions. Recall that standard conditions is that the concentration of every reagent is going to be 1 molar, and if it is gas, it will have a concentration of 1 atmosphere. Therefore, we replace the concentration of the reduced form and the concentration of the oxidized forms with 1, and make use of the fact that the logarithm of 1 is 0. In thermodynamics, we have two very important equations involving the standard Gibbs free energy, delta G naught. One is equal to RT natural log of K, and in terms of electrochemistry, it's equal to minus NF times the standard reduction potential, E naught. We set these two expressions equal to each other to get the third equation on the screen. Next, we multiply each side by -1, which gets rid of our leading minus signs. And then we divide each side by RT to get an expression for the natural log of K in terms of the standard reduction potential, E naught. To get rid of or clear the natural log function from the left-hand side, we raise each side as a power of e, and then use the property that e to the natural log of x is simply x. And we get an expression for the equilibrium constant in terms of the standard reduction potential as an exponential. Before our next step, we recall the expression for k that we've just derived, and we recall a previous expression that we derived for Pe naught. Now we take that expression for Pe naught and substitute our expression for k into it to get the second equation, and then we use the properties of the logarithm to simplify. Then we use the fact that we can cancel n's and write down an explicit number for the logarithm of e, which is 1 over 2.303, to get a resulting expression for Pe naught in terms of the standard reduction potential, E naught. Our final task will be to derive an expression for Pe under non-standard conditions, in terms of the standard reduction potential, E. So we use a previous expression that we had derived, and then we substitute the fact that Pe naught is equal to 1 over n times the natural log of k, and we substitute into it. We also use the fact that we had just derived a closed expression for Pe naught in terms of the standard reduction potential E naught, and when we substitute that, we get the third expression on the board. While this expression looks messy, we can clear it out a bit by multiplying each side by 2.303 RT divided by the Faraday constant, F, and we get the second equation on the slide. we notice on the right-hand side of the first equation that that entire expression is simply the value E, the reduction potential under non-standard conditions as given by the Nernst equation. So therefore, we can replace all the terms on the right-hand side simply by E. Then multiplying each side by F divided by 2.303 RT, we get the resulting expression for PE under non-standard conditions. I thank you very much for your kind attention. Please stay safe, happy, and healthy. Have a good one.